Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class on Monday, May 24, 2021. All right, so on Monday, we're going to study, Treehouse for the first session. Okay, everyone. So today, teacher will introduce you a new unit, all right? Today, we will study Unit 9 on page 106 and 107. All right, so what is the title of Unit 9, everyone? All right, so now let's open your book on page 106 and 107 all together. This is the new unit that we're going to study for today. All right, are you on this page, everyone? Okay, Unit 9, the candy factory. Okay, the candy factory. Repeat after teacher, everyone. The candy factory. All right, the candy factory. Okay, so now teacher will tell you 3 story words first, all right, before we look at on this page, all right? All right, everyone, so now this is story words. So now look at all together. Candy King. Candy King. What is Candy King, everyone? All right, so now open your book. Teacher will show you Candy King, all right? This one, all right? He is a Candy King, okay? All right, that's Candy King. It means that he the kings of candy, all right? All candies are below this man, all right? So he is a Candy King, all right? Next, everyone, factory. Factory, all right? Factory. What is factory, everyone? Factory. All right, look over here. Here we go, everyone. This one is factory, all right? Factory. In our unit, this factory makes candies, all right? Factory makes candy in our story, in our Unit 9, all right? That's one we call factory. And then this one is kangaroo. Kangaroo. What is kangaroo, everyone? Look over here, this one. Have you ever seen this animal before, everyone? In real life. Have you ever seen this one? Okay. Teacher have never seen this one before, all right? Teacher only see it in TV, all right? This one is kangaroo, all right? Okay. So everyone, that's 3 words that we just studied. So now let's learn how to spell all together, all right? This one is Candy King. C-A-N-D-Y King. K-I-N-G. Candy King. Factory. Factory. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Factory. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. All right, so these 3 words we already studied, all right, and everyone know for now. All right, so everyone open your book again. Teacher will ask you about the picture. Okay, teacher will ask you about the picture. So look at the picture at these 2 pages all together, everyone. So teacher asked, who are they? All right, who are they in our page? We have Monty, all right, Monty. This one is Candy King, all right, and kangaroos, okay. Who are they? They are Monty, Candy King, and kangaroos, okay. And next, what are these? Okay, everyone, what are these? This one. What are these? Look over here. What are these? Over here, everyone, here. They are clothes, all right? This one is they are closed over here. So these are closed. Next, everyone, what is that? What is that over here? What is that? What is that? It is candy, all right? It is candies. And everyone, what is it? What is this? What is this over here? Here? What is this? Here, the big one over here. All right, it is the machine. Okay, it is the machine. All right, this one is the machine. Okay, you got it? All right. So everyone over here, Monty, all right, Monty are inside a factory. All right, Monty is inside the factory where they make candy. All right, so this one is the factory where they make candy. So Monty is inside the factory. All right, so here the machine, okay, machine of making candies. All right, this machine can make clothes into candies. All right, that's why you can see clothes here. When they put it into the machine, it produces or it makes candies over here. All right, you got it, everyone? Wow, this machine is so special. All right, it can make clothes into candies. All right, you got it, everyone? Okay, all right, everyone, so look over here. Look over here. This one, who is this, everyone? Okay, he is the candy king. All right, he is the candy king. So if Monty and Konguru, okay, if Monty and Konguru makes a good candies, they will have a chance to meet candy king. Wow, that's so special. All right, that's so happy when you can meet the king. All right, again, if Monty and kangaroos can make a good candies, they will have a chance, okay, to meet with the king. All right, that's a special chance that you can meet a king. All right, okay, so now that's all in the picture, everyone. So next, Montil will tell you the stories. All right, so let's hear the story from Monty all together. Okay, let's start. Alright everyone, so after you listen to Monty's stories, tell you about what happened, okay, so do you understand? Okay, I hope you understand, and if you don't understand, for second session, teacher will explain you more about what Monty told you. Alright, so now it's the end of our first session. Teacher will tell you more at the second session. Alright, now see you at the second session.